Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you a super easy way to remove background noise from your audio or video. And it's completely free and no login required. And all we need is just an app called Dolby On. This one. Okay, let's get started. First, if you don't already have it, just go ahead and download Dolby On from the Play Store. And once it's installed, just open the app. Like this, and then just tap on the music's icon at the bottom left corner, this one, and here you can import either an audio files or video file by tap on this icon like this, and then just choose your audio files or video files, and in this tutorial I will just import video files like this, and then after the files uploads, just tap on it to open.
晚上好啊，然后我现在记得报备一下，对，说一下。
Like this. Next, just tap on Tools. And then to remove the background noise, just simply tap on the noise. And then adjust the intensity slider as you like. For example, like this, I will make it full like this. And then let's listen the output audio.
记得报备一下，对，说一下到家没有。
And okay, like this, it's that easy. You will instantly hear the difference. You can hear that the audio is clearer than before. And then when you're done, just tap on this icon. And next, Dolby On also lets you enhance your sound further, like you can choose an audio styles that fits your projects. Just choose one that you like in here. And next you can fine tune the tone to match your preference. Just tap on tone like this, and then just adjust your tone as you like. And next you can even boost the volume or just trim parts of the audio if needed. Like this, and when you're happy with the result, just tap on done. And then to save the audio or the video, just tap on the share icon, this one. And next, you can share directly to your social media on here, or you can also save the files to your device. And if you saving locally, just tap on save audio or save video like this, and then just give it a name and then hit save like this. And okay, that's it. You have just removed the background noise from your audio or video quickly, easily, and for free using just Dolby On. And okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.